by Miriam Katawadze, staff reported. September 20, 2017. Just hours before Hurricane Maria struck, hunkered between mattresses, Sarah Ouellette Subirao listened anxiously to the rumbling noise outside the walls of her resort on the island of Dominica. Her baby was asleep, and her 5-year-old daughter, wide awake, thought they were having a sleepover adventure, unaware of the tremendous danger coming their way. Her last post on Facebook to her family and friends said that she and her 7 guests were well prepared and equipped with all the basic necessities. She wrote that as the gusts of wind got stronger, their hearts pounded faster. In a phone call, she told her mother in Sturgeon Falls, Ontario, on Monday evening, that they would stay hunkered until the storm passed through. No one has heard from Subirao or her guests since. The Category 5 hurricane, with sustained winds above 160 miles per hour, wreaked havoc across the tiny Caribbean island late Monday. Dominica lost all communication and reception with the outside world, leaving parents and family members in the dark for days. No one has heard from anyone on the island. There is no communication whatsoever, said Lynn Cockburn-Ouellette, Subirao's mother. I have gone to everyone's Facebook page that I can think of to see if there is any post or anything, and there is nothing. There is nothing there. Dominica was Hurricane Maria's first major victim as it paved its deadly path through the Caribbean. It has since moved into Puerto Rico, where it has cut off all power and damaged homes. The hurricane followed 2 other deadly storms, Irma and Jose. Officials estimated that up to 90% of Dominica's buildings and homes were damaged by the storm, ranging from ripped-off roofs to near-total destruction. Aerial footage showed debris fields spread across the island, roads washed out and upended water pipelines. At least 7 people were reported dead. Subirao, 30, and her husband Stephen Ricardo Subirao, 33, moved from Sturgeon Falls, northwest of Algonquin Provincial Park, to Dominica in 2014. Their small resort offers a simple, natural environment to travelers passing through the island. Cockburn-Ouellette said the resort is a 50-minute drive from the capital city named Roseau, adding that she is unaware of its current state. The island, with a population of 72,000, is famous for its 365 rivers. Cockburn-Ouellette, who visited her daughter often, said that people go to the island for the nature and lush landscapes. I've heard that many of the roads are now not passable and that one area has been completely devastated, she said. My daughter was scared before it hit. She kept saying there were butterflies in her stomach just thinking about what they might go through. The mother said that she could hear the rain pouring during the last phone call, adding that her daughter said it was dark and the winds were starting to pick up. Since then, families of the guests and Subirao's family have made a Facebook group to coordinate rescue efforts. Cockburn-Ouellette said families of the guests, who are from Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago, are organizing rescue and evacuation efforts with their home countries. They have said, she added, that her daughter and family will be evacuated as well if need be. I don't know whether her family will, but it depends on the situation they are in, if they are okay and depending on the damage to the property, she said. We just don't know at this point. We're at the mercy of Wi-Fi signals and cell services picking up.